Hey guys, it's completely Crystal, but you can call me Chris, and I am back again with another YouTube video for you guys. I was really feeling these colors today, so this is what we're going with. If you are interested in learning how to achieve this look, then be sure to continue watching. Starting in the very middle of our eyebrow, we're just going to do very light strokes and bring it all the way down to create our tail. Now doing the same exact thing to the top, and we're going to bring it all the way down to meet the end of our tail. Now taking my Milani concealer with my concealer brush and carving out the bottom of my eyebrow. You're going to take that same concealer and put it all over your eye, and this is what I'm going to be using as my eyeshadow base. Now taking one of my favorite blending brushes, and I'm just going to blend out everything evenly. So the key to eyeshadow is to pat everything in place where you would like it to stay and blend it out in circular motions after the fact. Because I want pink to be my main color, I'm going to pat that in place first, and I'm going to blend everything else out around it. Now I'm just going to take that tangy orange color and blend out the edges of the pink eyeshadow. I don't want my pink eyeshadow to get lost, so I'm just going back with that same brush and applying more of the shadow. Now I'm taking a yellow eyeshadow to blend out the harshness of the orange. To smoke this look out a little bit, I'm just going to take a purple eyeshadow and put it in my crease, dabbing it in and blending it out. Now to cut my crease, I'm taking my Milani concealer with my concealer brush, and I'm going to look up to create the shape. This eyeshadow came out way lighter than expected, so I'm just going back over it with the neutral tone shadow. Now I'll be taking that purple eyeshadow and blending it right into my crease. To make the ombre effect, I'm going to take the pink eyeshadow and blend out the purple. Then I'll take the orange to blend out the pink. And then I'm going to take the yellow to blend out the orange. To create the length of my wing, I'm going to start at the corner of my eye and start at the middle of that line and bring it all the way down where we will connect the rest of the liner. I've already moisturized and primed with Clinique and Babyface, and now I'm taking my FitMe foundation in the color 336. I've noticed with this foundation, it normally goes on and it has more of a yellow tone, but once it oxidizes, it literally fits my skin perfectly. Now I'm taking my tapered brush by Real Technique and I'm going to press the concealer into my skin and blend it out. Now using my Expert Face Brush by Real Technique to blend out everywhere we cream contoured. Now using my Holy Grail setting powder, Sasha Buttercup, I'm going to apply that everywhere we highlighted and everywhere I want to sit. Using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish to bring everything together. I took one of my old ColourPop eyebrow pencils and dipped it into this gel to put it all over my waterline. Now to buff this out, I'll be taking this very small smudge brush and dipping it into some black shadow and smoking out the bottom of my eyeliner. I'll be taking another smudge brush, but this time using purple to smoke out the black. Now I'm going to apply my Chrystalized collection lashes in the style Daydreaming, and I'm going to pop those on right in the middle and tack down the sides. I'm super excited about highlighting this time because I'll be using a pink color. Alright y'all, here's the finished look. I am finished. I don't know why I was feeling these colors today, but I had to make it a point to do an eyeshadow tutorial this time because I know everybody was requesting the like everyday look, but then it was like, okay, we need eyeshadow. So here we are. These are the colors I was feeling. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Please be sure to tag me. Please be sure to, you know, share this video with people, other people that may be interested in this look or just interested in how I achieve like my different makeup looks and things of that nature. In my last video, I saw a couple people recreating the look, so I just want to see what you guys have, and you know, if you guys have any questions for me or if you guys want to see any other looks in particular, make sure you leave it down in the comments and I will be sure to answer.